اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Iqra with Iqra, the last and the final segment. Alhamdulillah, it has gone so well in the first 3 segments. Brilliant. Good reading, good recitation from you all. Good recognition of rules. Make sure these rules are written down. Make sure you do that, and during the show, like I always say, have a rough book, write the rules that you hear, copy in your neat book, and also give them titles. Each rule, title them in a page, move on to the next side or the next page, title it again, give yourself ample space, inshallah. Now let's move on to more viewers in this very last segment for more chapters. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Is that Mujiba?
Yeah, how are you?
Yeah, not bad, Mujiba. How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good. And how's Colin Dale?
It's good, but freezing.
Freezing, freezing. That's the right word. Lovely. Okay, listen, the surah that you would like to read.
Can I read Surah Ma'un?
Suratul Ma'un. Yes, you can, when you are ready.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أرأيت الذي يكذب بالدين فذلك الذي يدعو اليتيم ولا يهد على طعام المسكين فويل للمصلين الذين هم عن صلاتهم ساهون الذين هم يراءون ويمنعون الماعون.
Yeah, that was good. That was good, Mujiba.
My cousins read.
Yeah, put them on.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. What's your name?
Zuhra.
Zahra.
Yes.
Zahra, how old are you?
I am 10 years old.
And do you also live in Colindale?
Yes.
Okay, and which surah will you like to read?
I like to read Al-Ikhlas.
Suratul Ikhlas. When you're ready.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد.
Kufuwan Ahad.
Yeah,
on top of the word is a tanween fatha, and after that there is a hamza. Tanween fatha has to be read clearly without any ghunna. Izhar, noon sakin tanween izhar rule. Kufuwan ahad. Okay, Zahra?
Okay.
Who's next?
Can my sister read?
Yes, put her on, please.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. What is your name?
My name is Zuhal.
Your name is?
Zuhal.
Zuhal.
Yes.
Okay, Zuhal, how old are you?
8.
You're 8. And surah that you would like to read?
Surah Kafir. Surah Kafir.
Suratul, which one?
Kafir.
Kawthar, you mean?
Yes.
Okay.
Kafir.
Kawthar, when you're ready.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنا أعطيناك الكوثر فصل لربك وانحر إن شانئك هو الأبتر.
إن شانئك هو الأبتر. Again.
إن شانئك هو الأبتر.
أبتر.
There.
Okay, ba, there's going to be a qalqal. Okay, now, you and your sister, where do you learn your Quran? Do you go to masjid, or do you have a tutor coming home? What's the score there?
We go to masjid.
Masjid ma. And do you go every day? Every day?
Yeah.
Monday to Friday or Monday to Sunday?
Monday to Thursday.
Okay, good. Lovely. Okay, Jazakallah. Thank you so much for calling from Collindale, and I hope that you do call again. Take care. Next viewer, please. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Is that Samia?
Yeah.
How are you doing, Samia?
I'm alright. How are you?
Yeah, I'm very well. Alhamdulillah. Which surah?
I'm going to read Lahab, and Yasin, Taiba, and Shahri is reading after me.
Okay, Suratul Lahab.
Yeah.
Start.
Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم تبت يدا أبي لهب وتب
لهب وتب
ما أغنى عنه ماله وما كسب سيصلى نارا ذات لهب وامرأته حمالة الحطب في جيدها حبل من مسد.
Okay, good. Who's next?
Taiba.
Put her on.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa salam, Taiba. Which surah?
Surah Ikhlas.
Ikhlas. Okay. Starts, please.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد.
Brilliant. Who's next, Taiba?
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa salam. Is that Yasin?
Yeah.
Okay. Which surah, Yasin?
Suratul Kaf.
Suratul?
Kafirun.
Okay. Starts, please.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل يا أيها الكافرون لا أعبد ما تعبدون ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد ولا أنا عابد ما عبدتم ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد لكم دينكم ولي دين.
Okay, good. And who's next?
Shahriar.
Shahriyar. Put him on, Shahriyar.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa salam, Shahriyar. Which surah?
Surah.
Which one?
Surah Ma'un.
Suratul Ma'un. Okay, that's good. Fine. Let's hear it.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أرأيت الذي يكذب بالدين فذلك الذي يدعو اليتيم ولا يحض على طعام المسكين فويل للمصلين الذين هم عن صلاتهم ساهون الذين هم يراءون ويمنعون الماعون.
Okay, good, lovely. Shahriyar, good reading by all of you, and inshallah we'll speak to you guys again very soon. Let's now move on to our next viewer. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Is that Fayad?
Yes.
How are you doing, Fayad?
Fine. How are you?
I am very well, alhamdulillah. Had a good day?
Yes.
Nice. And your surah for today?
Surah Nas.
Surah?
Nas.
Suratul which one?
Nas.
Oh, Nas. Okay. Start then.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس.
Good reading, Fayad. Good reading. Keep it up. Thank you so much for calling and for reading Surah An-Nas. You read that surah very well, making sure the hunnas are very well heard. Next viewer, assalamu alaikum.
My name is Zubayda.
Your name is who?
Zubayda.
Zubayda.
Yeah.
Where are you calling from, Zubayda?
London.
London. And how old are you, Zubayda?
I am 8 years old.
Okay, and is this the first time you are calling the show?
Yeah.
And how long have you been watching IQRA with IQRA?
A few weeks.
A few weeks. And how did you find out about the show?
Very good.
Pardon? How?
My sister told me.
Okay. And which surah will you want to read?
Surah Al-Nas.
Surah An-Nas?
Okay.
Okay.
Shall I read it?
Yeah, when you are ready, you may start.
Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الناس.
Okay, now are you Zubayda, are you on loudspeaker?
Yes.
Well, you need to put the loudspeaker off.
Okay. It's off.
Okay, now if you can read
Okay.
again, please.
بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس.
Okay, that was good, Zubayda. Do you go to masjid to learn your Quran, or do you have a tutor? What happens there?
I go to a mosque.
Every day?
Every Saturday.
Every Saturday?
Yes.
Okay, how long for?
For 1 or 2 hours.
Okay, and what are you learning there at the moment? Are you learning just how to read the Quran? Are you learning tajweed?
To read the Quran.
So are you not learning any tajweed rules?
Yeah, I am.
So what's the last rule that you learned?
To read it clearly.
To read what clearly?
The surah that you're reading.
Okay, so no, that's not exactly what I was asking. And never mind, what you do, Zubayda, since you go to masjid just on a Saturday, Monday to Friday, between 4 o'clock and 6 o'clock, you are free, right?
Yes.
Okay, so try to call the show, okay?
Okay.
And watch, learn, listen, and write down as many rules as you can. Okay, Zubayda?
Okay.
Take care then. Let's now move on to our next viewer. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Who's calling?
My name is Sulaiman.
Sulaiman from where?
Ipswich.
Ipswich.
Yes.
Oh wow, Ipswich. That's my birthplace, man. Ipswich. Have you rang before?
No.
This is the first time you're ringing, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, I think this is the second time on Iqra with Iqra that someone has rang from Ipswich.
Okay.
Second time. Lovely. It's a beautiful place, and of course it's going to be a beautiful place because I was born there. Do you know what I mean?
Yes.
Okay, Sulaiman, how old are you, mate?
11.
You're 11, and Surah. And how long? Let me ask you first before asking you. So, how long have you been watching Iqra with Iqra?
2 hours.
Huh?
2 years.
2 years.
Yeah.
But you've never ever rang in those 2 years.
No.
Why not?
Because I didn't know.
You didn't know that you could call in.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. So now that you're through, which surah will you like to read?
Qul a'udhu bi rabbin nas.
What's the name of that surah?
Surah Al-Nas.
Surah An-Nas, Surah An-Nas, Surah An-Nas. Can you please start?
A'udhu bi rabbin.
No, you got to start with ta'awudh, ta'awudh.
A'udhu bi rabbin.
No, a'udhu billahi minash shaytanir rajim.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
Yeah.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس.
Okay, it's not min sharril wasawa. It's min sharril waswasil. There's no qalqala on the scene. The sound of scenes must not bounce. Sharril waswasil khannas. Carry on. Alladhi.
الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس.
Okay, listen, Sulaiman, I want you to call me every day between 4 o'clock and 6 o'clock if you're at home, yeah?
Yes.
Try to call. And are you learning Tajweed at the moment anywhere?
No.
No. Do you go to your local masjid?
No, I'll go to my teacher's house.
Okay, that's good. And what I want you to do is between 4 o'clock and 6 o'clock, if you are at home, I want you to call Iqra with Iqra because you've been watching for such a long time. Do you understand? And if you watch regularly, if you call in, you will learn rules. You need to sort your Quran out because there are a lot of mistakes in your reading.
Okay.
Okay, Sulaiman?
Can my sister talk?
Yeah, put your sister on.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. What's your name?
Salma.
Salma. How old are you, Salma?
8.5.
8.5. And which surah will you want to read?
Wal Asr.
Suratul Asr. Let's hear it.
Wal Asr.
No, but how do you start the Quran? Sulaiman and Salma, you both started it wrong. Yeah.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Wal Asr. Inna insana lafi khusr. Inna alladhina amanu wa aminu salihati wa tawassaw bil haqqi wa tawassaw bis sabr.
Oh my God, that was a disaster, man. Again. Start again. Wal Asr. Let me hear it again.
Wal Asr. Inna insana lafi khusr.
No. Innal insana. Innal. It's got to be innal. It's not even clear. Innal insana lafi khusr. Again.
أعوذ بالله من
No.
الشيطان.
Innal insana. Just innal insana.
إن الإنسان لفي خسر.
The next verse.
إن
It's not. It's no. You're changing a word. It's not innal ladhina. It's illa ladhina. Illa ladhina.
إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات
وعملوس. Salma. It's وعملوس. عملوس.
وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق
وتواصوا بالحق. وتواصوا بالحق. And the last verse?
حقي
وتواصوا. No, not حقي. حق. وتواصوا بالحق. وتواصوا بالصبر.
وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر.
No. Honestly, Salma, your reading is quite bad. Now, can you call me between 4 o'clock and 6 o'clock tomorrow again?
Okay.
Okay, both of you, you and Salma, you both, call me and inshallah, let's sort your Quran out because there
Little
are...
sister wants to do it now.
Your little sister... Yeah, go on, put her on.
Have to do, Kuala.
Hello?
I say, Assalamu alaikum. Yeah. Say my name is Papa. Yeah. Hi,
Wa alaikum salam, what's your name?
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam, what's your name?
Safa.
Safa, how old are you, Safa?
Safa.
Okay, how old are you?
6 years old.
6 years old, mashallah. And which surah?
Kul Huwallah.
It's not Qul Fu Allah. No, no, no. You are saying it all wrong. The name of the surah is Suratul Ikhlas. Okay, that's the name of the surah. Just like the way...
I'm going to do Kul Huwallah.
Okay, let me finish. The surah, the name of the surah is Suratul Ikhlas. Okay?
Yeah.
And it's not Qul Fu Allah, it's Qul Hu Allah. After Qul there's a ha. Qul Hu Allahu Ahad. Start please.
Ahad. Kul Huwallahu Ahad. Allahu Samad. Lam Yalid. Walam Yulad. Walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad.
Okay, listen, all three of you, I need you to call me Mondays and Tuesdays, and we need to really, really work hard on the rules of Tajweed, okay?
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. Yeah, that was better than the first time without a doubt. Thank you so much, guys from Ipswich. But do call, inshallah, tomorrow and try to make a habit of watching. You have been watching for such a long time. Try to call in and learn the rules and let's better your Quran, inshallah. Next viewer, assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Who's that?
Wahi.
Wahi from Brighton.
Yeah.
How are you, Wahi?
I'm fine, how are you?
I am good, my friend. Which surah?
Surah Quraysh.
Surah to Quraysh. Yes, let's hear it.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. لإيلاف قريش إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف فليعبدوا رب هذا البيت.
فليعبدوا رب هذا البيت. فليعبدوا رب هذا البيت.
فليعبدوا رب هذا البيت.
نعم.
الذي أطعمهم من جوع وآمنهم من خوف.
Okay, lovely. Thank you so much, Wahi. That was good. That was good. You keep it up. Give me a shout tomorrow, yeah?
Allah Hafiz.
Allahun hafidhun. Next viewer, assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Who is that?
Wahib.
Pardon?
Wahib.
Okay, where are you calling from?
From to read the surah.
Where are you calling from? Where?
Upstairs in my bed.
Where?
In my bed because I don't want anyone to know that it's me there.
I don't understand what you are saying.
Because I'm upstairs, so my family is really and here.
All right, then do call back again because I had very much a difficulty in understanding what you were saying there. Let us move on into a next viewer. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, Ustaji.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Zara, how are you doing?
I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah, I'm very well, alhamdulillah, very well. How is your grandma?
She's fine. She's giving
salam to your grandma. How is your mother?
She's fine and she's giving salam to you.
I'm sure she is. I'm sure they both are. Very good. Lovely. Listen, which surah?
Duha.
Duha. Okay, let me hear it.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والضحى والليل إذا سجى ما ودعك ربك وما قلى وللآخرة خير لك من الأولى.
Okay, don't say walala because the second lam has a sukoon, so there's no qalqala, so it's walal akhiratu khayrun laka min al ula.
وللآخرة خير لك من الأولى.
Okay, good.
ولسوف يعطيك ربك فترضى. ألم يجدك يتيما فآوى. ووجدك ضالا فهدى.
ووجدك ضالا فهدى.
ووجدك ضالا فهدى.
Okay.
ووجدك عائلا فأغنى. فأما اليتيم فلا تقهر. وأما السائل فلا تنهر. وأما بنعمة ربك فحدث.
Okay, which surah?
Could you repeat?
Which surah? Okay, you've got 2 minutes, so you have to hurry up. Wa alaikum salam, Joya. When you're ready, please start your surah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنا أتيناك الكوثر فصل لربك وانحر إن شانئك هو الأبتر.
Okay, lovely. Thank you so much, Triple Z's from Mountains. I've got to go now. I've run out of time. It's been a wonderful show today. Iqra with Iqra, mashallah. A lot of people rang in and read very, very well. I must admit, surahs, you chose the surahs that you wanted to recite. And the mistakes that I've taken out, make sure you remember those mistakes. Make sure you write them down. And those people that I've requested to call every day because your rules need to be sorted out. You need to learn more rules of tajweed. Do make sure that you call in, inshallah, and better your Quran reading, better the way you look at the Quran, the way you see the Quran, and make sure the recognition of those rules are there when you are reading each of these verses. Tomorrow again, inshallah, it's going to be the same thing. I want to hear more Quran reading. I want to hear rules from some of you tomorrow. So if you can prepare some rules of tajweed tomorrow, it will be wonderful. It will be absolutely great. Any rules that you want to explain. A lot of people today did not know well, not a lot of people, I'll be exaggerating if I say that, but a few people did not know the rules of Noon, Sakin and Tanween. So I want some of you to explain Noon, Sakin, Tanween tomorrow, and the Mim Sakin rules as well, so others can benefit when they hear you explaining it, and they can also write those rules down. So tomorrow again, inshallah, same time, same place. I want practice, and I want you guys to do as best as you can. Have a good evening. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان